think if you've got a W16 engine, emissions isn't the first thing on your mind. And what we actually noticed previously is this is a secondary air pump. Blows air into the exhaust to cut emissions on a cold start. Load of weird stuff. It's not really needed, but sometimes it can make it misfire from cold start. And this one was always missing. We don't know why. We don't know why that was taken off, and I still don't know why it was taken off. Obviously, we can't order one. So we had to cross-reference this one, and what I found is one of a Volkswagen Passat, I think it was. Now that is exactly the same as that.